How to install Mobile Zone for Chromebook laptops. Start with your child's Chromebook. Visit familyzone.com/laptops. Select Download for Chromebook. This will open Google Chrome Web Store. Select Add to Chrome. Click on the recently added Mobile Zone extension. Sign in with your Family Zone email address and password. Assign a device name, select the device owner, then click Assign. A new tab will automatically open, advising you to enable the Mobile Zone extension in incognito mode. Click on the extension browser link. Scroll down to Allow Incognito and toggle the switch on. And that's it! Mobile Zone is now protecting your child's device.